Hi, I'm Patrick. Like every month, I'm coming up with this four books that I recommend you to read. So basic idea is to introduce you to different genres of book. So you pick up what books you're interested in and accordingly start reading it. So this is the four books for the month of November. So you are a badass. This is basically a motivational book. Considering that you are very close to cat and you need to motivate yourself, I thought one of the motivational books could be a right choice for this particular month. Elon Musk is now the richest person in the world, live rankings, whatever, and Tesla, SpaceX are legendary. So about him, Ashley Vance has written a biography about him. Read it. I think it's inspirational. How he was, almost nowhere, and then suddenly came up to become the richest person. Kite Runner, amazing book, and Ignited Minds by Abdul Kalam. So these are the books. Let's go a little bit detailed with regards to it. So you are a badass is basically to identify change, any beliefs that you have that could put you down. So getting you to motivate yourself to do something. Also, it helps to create a life you totally love. Just to motivate and do something that you would enjoy. And yes, a lot of books are into making money. So it talks about how to make money, considering that your confidence is high. So this is a book maybe to help you motivate you as far as the exam is concerned. Elon Musk, as I said, is one of the well-known books, Ashley Vance book. So it is now 2 million more plus copies sold. Now at present, he's the richest person in the world. He started with something called PayPal, where he sold at 1.5 billion. There's a controversy which he started it or not. Actually, he joined it later on and renamed it. Then apart from that, the whole series regarding his SpaceX and his Tesla are amazing. Apart from that, he's in SolarCity. The three companies that which he owns. It's about him. You need to read biographies for looking at management as a career. It helps to know about different personalities, and this may also help you in an interview. So, reading it definitely. Kite Runner, one of the classic books. It is based on Afghanistan about how Taliban came to rule and what affected. It is actually not a history book. It is actually a story book of a particular boy. So you can maybe read it as a story book, but it is on a backdrop of Afghanistan when Taliban came into picture and how did it change it. I think it's a good book to read to understand it. So read it. He's a very famous author, and on Afghanistan, I think this is an amazing storybook to be read. Abdul Kalam, Ignited Minds, good book regarding small children. He's a well-known man president. I'm one of the most influential Indian president. He talks about various questions that are there. Why does India as a nation settle for ordinary when we can be extraordinary? He talks about different things as what can we do as such. So he shares his dream of a nation, what he believes in. I think it's a good book to read. So these are four books that I would recommend this month. Pick up the books that you feel you're comfortable with, that you would want to read, and read accordingly. Right? Thank you.